Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix left control key is not working in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple error and I give the multiple solution to fix this simple error. So let's go. Our control key is not working, left control key. Now close this, okay? Now the simple solution is go to the start, go to the power button and restart your PC. Restart your PC is solve many problem on your PC, including your keyboard problems. Just restart your PC and check your keyboard is working or not. If it's not working, then I give the another solution. Another solution is very simple. Right click on the start button and here we find device manager. Click on the device manager. We are going to the update our drivers, update our keyboard drivers. Go to your keyboards. Here we find keyboards. Click expand keyboards. Select your keyboards. If you find multiple keyboards, select your proper keyboard. Right click on it. Click on the update drivers. Search for automatically for drivers. And if it's find latest driver for your PC from the internet, then download and install that drivers. If it's not find, then go to the browse my computer for drivers. Here, if you find your drivers on your PC, then select and browse to your drivers. If it's not, then click on the let me pick up for latest available drivers. Click at here. Here select your drivers. Click on the next. Now it is install your drivers. Then close it. Now it's asked for a restart. Now restart your machine. Click on yes. I am not restarting. I am going to the next solution. Close it or no. Okay. And close it and restart your machine. Okay, the next solution is also very simple. We uninstall our drivers and reinstall our keyboard drivers and that will fix our problem. Right click on the start once again, device manager once again, click on device manager. In device manager we find keyboards, expand keyboards, select our keyboards, right click on our keyboard and uninstall it. Uninstall device, and as soon as we restart our machine, our drivers are automatically installed. We click on the uninstall device, click on uninstall, click on yes, our machine is now restarting. Now our machine is restart. Now check our keyboard left control key is working or not. If it's not working, then final solution is just attach any other USB keyboard to your PC or laptop and check that keyboard is working or not. If that keyboard is working, then your keyboard has a problem, then just replace your keyboard. That is our final solution. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.